Hey guys, Midwest Picker here. No joke, this is my 5th attempt to make this video. I don't know what happened, my phone was corrupted, the file was bad. The very first video I shot, the audio was all screwed up, and I split the file in half. You don't care about all this.
Cut out the jibber jabber. Don't be babbling like a fool. Say what you got to say.
But it was a mess. I re-recorded the video today for the contest, and video after video was not working. It wouldn't play. I couldn't find it on my phone. So I had to reboot my phone, turn it off, turn it back on, do some test videos, and it finally worked. So this is the contest video. I also have a second camera over here. This is a DSLR camera making a simultaneous video in case this one doesn't work. So anyways, welcome to the channel. My name is Dave. I'm a part-time reseller. I'm a part-time video content creator on YouTube. I do this for fun and as a hobby to help people new to eBay or new to reselling. I have how-to videos linked down below. So this is the contest video, and before I get started on anything, before I forget, a big shout out to all the people that have helped me over the past year. I really ramped up my YouTube channel May of 2019. And the focus is now on reselling, but there's other content creators that have been around longer than me that have really helped me out. They gave me shout outs on their channel. They have done live videos with me, and there's just too many people to mention. You know who you are, but a big thank you to all the other content creators who have helped me get to where I am. So I think May of 2019, I probably had about 26 subscribers, and now I have 500. So really cool. The previous video I talked about the giveaway. I'll put pictures up here, but the giveaway is this guy right here, this autographed Enderman, and then I also have this 1921 silver Morgan dollar. So one lucky winner will get both of these prizes. And if you're not a coin collector, that's okay. Maybe you can start coin collecting. So to me, this is the most beautiful coin the U.S. Mint has ever made. But if you're not, maybe you do know somebody that is a coin collector, and you can just gift this coin to them, or you could start collecting now. Pretty cool. The Enderman, you know, you probably want to display that in your home with a big spotlight over it. It's extremely valuable. And if you're watching this and you haven't watched a lot of my videos, or you're new to reselling videos, and you don't know what is this Enderman, well, I got this from Kevin, the Commonwealth picker. And he sells these. It's a little plush toy by Fleet Company. And he sells 5, 6, 7, 10 a day. Some people buy them as a good luck charm. Some people buy them as a gag gift. Some people just have them because they like them. I got one back here in the eBay office, and I got one at work in my work office. It's just a cute little toy. So if you don't know what this is, go check out Commonwealth Picker. He also has the channel Commonwealth Flipper. His name is Kevin. A big shout out to Kevin, because I reached out to him when I was about 425 subscribers, and I said, hey Kevin, I'd love to give away an autographed Enderman as my 500 subscriber giveaway, and he was happy enough to gift me this Enderman. So I put him in this protective case, and it's just the generosity of Kevin. Not only did he provide this autographed Enderman, but he also provides great content on his channel. His production value is awesome. His content is awesome. Bolos and haul videos and how-to videos. And he's given me a couple shout-outs over the years. So big thanks to Kevin, and a big thank you to all the other content creators on YouTube. So before we get to the contest, I want to tell you real quick what's sold. I recently changed my eBay store settings. I've been on 3-day handling time for a long time because I'm only part-time. I work full-time as a nurse, so I don't have a chance to run to the post office whenever I want to. So I recently changed it to 2-day handling time, and I've had a couple sales since then. So I don't know if it's a coincidence or not, but these are the two things that sold. I'll put a picture up here somewhere. Chevy vintage t-shirt. I bought this about a year ago for 69 cents. I had it on there for $14.95, $12.95. I just kept reducing the price because I'm getting out of clothing. I just don't want to do used clothes anymore. I had it for $9.95, and the day after I reduced my handling time to 2 days, somebody sent me a $7 offer. And this t-shirt's been sitting there for a year. Nothing. Hardly any watchers, or 0 watchers, hardly any views. and then all of a sudden, boom, I got an offer. So I think there is something to that. If you sell on eBay, you might want to consider changing your handling time. If you're 5 days or 3 days, see if you can squeeze it down to 2 days. It might help with sales. The next item are these conduit pipe hangers. So if you're a contractor, a carpenter, a do-it-yourselfer, an electrician, you already know what these are. But if you don't, when you run wire in a house or in a business, you usually run the wire through this thin aluminum tubing called a conduit. And these hangers are used to hold the conduit pipe either to the ceiling or to the wall or whatever you want to do. I got these at a thrift store for $2, and it says box of 50, but it was open. And for $2, I thought, why not? So I bought it, took it home, counted them all out, and there was only 40 or 44 or something like that. So I disclosed it in the title and the description, no big deal. Had it listed for $24.95 for 11 months, and it sold for, I took a best offer of $20. The buyer paid shipping. It was $7.45, something like that. I charged, and it went region A, priority mail, so not too bad, except it took a long time. So plumbing supplies, electrical supplies, if you can get them cheap, they will sell, but we call them long tail. They take a very long time to sell, so not a big deal. $2 into 20 is pretty good. So now the giveaway. This is how you win these two prizes, the autographed Enderman and the 1921 silver Morgan dollar. So first, give this video a thumbs up. Secondly, you have to be a subscriber to this channel. So if you're not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then down in the comments below, just put the word wow. It can be the word wow, it can be a sentence, it can be a paragraph, it can be a question or comment, doesn't matter. Wow, Dave, you got a big fat head. Wow, you're as old as dirt. Wow, you made 500 subscribers, congratulations. Whatever you want, doesn't matter. You just got to say wow in the comments, hit the thumbs up, and subscribe. And then I'm going to let this video simmer for a while, give people a chance to comment and participate. And then 3 or 4 days, I'm going to have a video where I pick the winner. And when I pick the winner, there's a way to validate and verify who you are. So we'll talk about that in the next video. Also, if you know anybody that might be interested in this contest and winning these prizes, there's a share button down below. It's kind of like a arrow that hooks to the right. This would be your right, my left. If you hit that, you can share this in text messages. You can share it on Facebook. You can share it in email. There's a lot of options. So go ahead and share that if you know anybody that's a fan of Enderman that might like this. So that's the contest. That's how it's going to work. Big thanks again to all the other content creators who have helped me. A big thank you to all my subscribers and my potential subscribers and people who just view. Thanks again. Put that comment down below, the word wow, and we'll draw a winner soon. And that's what's sold on eBay. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to wrap it up, try to make it as quick as possible. So Midwest Pricker here. Thanks for all the subscriptions. Thanks for participating in this contest, and we'll see you in a few days.